Hello, you are welcome to the Wellness in a Cup series, brought to you by the Wellness Centre, KNUST. Of course, they look at health, nutrition, fitness center, and they seek to promote preventive health. Of course, you have to make your food your drug. And our motto is that your well-being is our priority. And this session seeks to prepare members, or those who are hearing us, how to prepare delicious, nutritious meal at your own comfort, even in the kitchen. I'm Eric Osmensa, food science technology lecturer at KNUST, teaches fermentation. I have over 17 years experience in yogurt. And we have titled this series, Wellness in the Cup. So we start by looking even what is yogurt, different types of yogurt, and why the need for Wellness Center to invest in such series. So what is yogurt? So yogurt is simply a fermented or digested milk, semi-solid. It's a bit sour. So once you have your milk, you add the starter culture to it, and then the culture will break down the lactose in milk, making it a bit sour and of course very thick. It's a popular brand in Ghana here. We have a lot of brands. I know of YouFresh, ICCAB is there, KNUST Yogurt, of course, Yumi, Chugo is there. Because it's very simple to make. You just need your milk and something, and then you are gone. But there are so many groups of yogurt, and I want to group them based on the milk source. Whether from animal, it can be full cream, it can be a fat, low fat, can be a skim milk, can be plant. Now we are going green, so we have what we call the milk analogs. You can have your soya, your tiger nut yogurt, and then you are going. Can be classified based on a production method. You have the set yogurt where your actual fermentation happens in the package. You have the stir yogurt where you have the flexibility to add any sweetener after the yogurt. So when you finish, you stir. So the name coming from stirred yogurt. We can be based on the thickness. So you have drinking yogurt, it can flow easily. You have the spoonable, or the eating yogurt. You have the Greek, or one that you have to strain the way out of it. In terms of sweetness, you have the plain, there is no sugar in it, or you have the sweetened yogurt as well. But before we go and demonstrate how to do yogurt, let's look at why do you have to take yogurt? Why do you have to invest in yogurt? There are three main points. One is that it's about the health benefit. Of course, yogurt, you all know, is made from milk, which contains proteins. Essential minerals are there, calcium, vitamins, and you need to take yogurt to get all these essential minerals. Next one is the probiotic. Of course, it contains these helpful bacteria which are in the yogurt. It can help you as you take to fight against diseases. It can even aid in digestion. If you want to manage your weight, of course, there is no other product but yogurt. In terms of satisfaction, hey, if you get your yogurt, nicely yogurt with bread or meat pie, wow, it's a whole meal. In terms of sensory appeal, very thick product, there are different options in there. In your mouth, wow, it's just yummy, it's just yummy. So there's a need for us to do yogurt. That's why we are here, and we hope that you're able to grab the basic method for you to produce your own yogurt in the house. I want to thank Wellness Centre, KNUST, my own mentor, Professor and Mrs. Ibo Kodro, for the opportunity, food science technology, KNUST, common food, and my family. Let me see you again in the next session where indeed we are going to do yogurt in a cup in your kitchen. See you in the next session.